everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in on Claude AI app. Here's in this video, I will show you how to log in. Here's the easy step for the app. The first step is check your internet connection. Make sure your internet is working or not. If your internet is not working, that might be problem. Turn your Wi-Fi off for a few seconds, then on again, or use your mobile data. If that is not working, turn on your airplane mode for a few seconds, then off again. After doing that, the second step is download the app, install the Cloud app from your App Store or Google Play Store, and open the app. And the only step is open the app, launch the Cloud app, and tap login on the home screen. And the only step is open the app, then launch Cloud AI and tap on login on the home screen. And the only step is enter credentials, type your or you also share here options like continue with Google or enter your email if you have Google account, or you can also do continue with Google. Or if you don't have Google account, then click on enter email and type your email. After click on enter email, then type your email address or link account on, and type your email address or link account on credentials. Enter your password and tap on submit. And after doing that, for your account secure, open the two-factor authentication. If it is enabled, if two-factor authentication is on, enter the verification code to send to your email or phone and start using the cloud. Once logged in, you can start asking questions or using AI features immediately, and that's how you can log in into Cloud AI app. And the last step is enter credentials. Type your, and here you will see the two options: continue with your Google or enter your email. You also enter entering your email or password. That might be for ask for you enter your password and enter for you password, then tap on, and that's it. That's how you log in into Cloud app and that's it. That's how you can log in into Cloud app. And thank you for watching this video. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you.